Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make spaghetti with olive oil and garlic. If you can't make this, you can't make anything. Honestly, this is super easy, but it is wonderful. It's really delicious, really nice and fast, very few ingredients. Let's go straight to the cooker and do this one. Okay, so here we go. We're going to make the easiest pasta in the world, I think. So you need some sort of pan or frying pan or some sort of skillet. What we're going to do is drop in some olive oil. And don't be shy with the olive oil, because that's kind of pretty much the sauce. We're going to drop in some chopped garlic. Now you could be using minced garlic or sliced garlic, it's up to you. Now what you have to notice is what we're doing here is the heat's fairly low. We don't really want to really be browning the garlic. Like sometimes when I'm making kind of more sort of Asian food, I like to kind of toast it in there, but with this we just kind of need to keep it fairly gentle. Right, we're going to add some salt. We're going to add some black pepper. I'm going to add some chili flakes. You don't have to do this, but you know, optional. This is cooking beautifully. Like I say, keep it nice and low. And very simply, some cooked spaghetti, on that goes, in there. And then for about 2 minutes, we're just gonna throw this around. Again, on a kind of fairly low heat. No, we're not simmering this, but keep it nice and low. Toss it around. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Off goes the heat. I'm going to add some chopped parsley, a flat leaf parsley. I'm going to mix that in. And we're done. I'll see you at the table. So there you go. I think that is the easiest recipe I've ever made on this channel. But it really is delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.